walking down the street where the memories flow, piano softly playing with a bluesy glow. The sun's shining bright, but the clouds loom near. In this small town life, there's nothing to fear. Whispers of stories, of laughter and pain, every soul knows it well in this gentle rain. It even rains in Lewistown, Mifflintown, and even Thompson Town, and East Salem and East Waterford. When it rains, it pours. You can choose where you stay, but not the weather. You'll still get showers this side of heaven. Yes, it even rains right here in Lewistown. The church bells are ringing as I pass by the park. Children are laughing while the sky gets dark. I take a deep breath, let the moment arrive. In this bluesy melody, I feel so alive, with hope and a dream. The streets whisper low, even after the rain, there's a beautiful glow. It even rains in Lewistown, Mifflintown, and even Thompson Town, and East Salem and East Waterford. When it rains, it pours. You can choose where you stay, but not the weather. You'll still get showers this side of heaven. Yes, it even rains right here in Lewistown. When heaven's on earth, it still has rain. Through the tears and joy, we dance in the pain. Every drop brings life, every storm has its song. In Lewistown's embrace, we know we belong. So I'll strum my guitar and let my heart sing. With each note that lingers, it's the love that we bring. The rhythm of the rain falls soft on the ground. In the soulful serenade, true solace is found. It even rains in Lewistown, Mifflintown, and even Thompson Town, and East Salem and East Waterford. When it rains, it pours. You can choose where you stay, but not the weather. You'll still get showers this side of heaven. Yes, it even rains right here in Lewistown. As the piano fades gently and the evening draws near, I'll carry this feeling with a heart full of cheer. For in every small town, beneath the sky's gray, we find beauty together, come what may. Yes, it even